Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have got a video about Yağmur and Barış. You will find all the details in the video. If you enjoyed, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also support me by clicking the join button below. Thanks, and let's dive into the video. In an open and heartfelt interview, popular actress Yağmur Yüksel showed a touching story about her past with fellow actor Barış Baktaş, which has left fans curious and nostalgic. Reflecting on a significant moment, Yağmur said, "If I had accepted Barış Baktaş's proposal, we would be married now." Yağmur and Barış are well known in the Turkish entertainment world and have always had a close, intriguing relationship. Their on screen chemistry often sparked rumors about real life romance, but the full depth of their connection remained private until now. During the interview, Yağmur recalled the moment Barış proposed to her. "It was a beautiful, heartfelt proposal," she said, her voice showing fondness and a hint of regret. "Barış and I had a special bond beyond our work together. When he proposed, it was a moment full of genuine emotion and sincerity. Despite their deep connection," Yağmur explained, why she chose not to accept the proposal. "At the time, I was focused on my career and personal growth. I was not ready for that step. Even though I cared deeply for Barış, it was a tough decision, but I felt it was the right one for me then." Her relationship highlights the challenges of balancing personal relationship with a successful career. "Looking back, I sometimes wonder how different life would be if I had said yes. Barış is an amazing person, and yeah, we shared something special. If I had accepted his proposal, we would be married now." Yağmur's honesty resonated with fans who expressed their support and understanding on social media. Many praised her for sharing such a personal aspect of her life. The relation also renewed interest in her past relationship with Barış, with fans speculating about the possibility of them getting back together. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.